In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this kitten image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. I'll create a new 768 by 1024 pixels scene, and use the cycles renderer with denoise turned off. I'll create a simple metaballs mesh with a beveled curve circle. I used a Shift-D shortcut to duplicate metaballs. If you don't see the curve circle, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's save the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. Please use the depth ZOE preprocessor to generate a new depth map, and open that map image file. Please save the depth map image and open it. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to select the correct SDXL depth map model file. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.